This property is a 3-bedroom, 2 full baths, and 1/2 bath, colonial. The list price has recently been reduced to $595,000. Interior features of this property include an open floor plan, wood flooring, a formal living room, an eat-in kitchen, a heat pump, vaulted ceilings, crown molding, French doors, recessed lighting, a gourmet kitchen, and a kitchen island. On the outside, this property features street parking, a patio, waterfront access, a wood clapboard exterior, and riverfront location. The approximate square footage is 2,126 square feet.